Welcome to Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 35496. The job location is in Redmond, Washington. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: experience in ADF, ADB, Spark, Python, experience in creating T-SQL packages, procedures, functions, triggers, views, exception handling for retrieving, manipulating, checking, and migrating complex datasets, experience in working in agile teams, and working independently with senior managers providing solutions and regular updates. Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.